Today, me, Gregor, Arsin are going to talk about biggest biomes, ice.
First of all, we'll talk about biodiversity or biological diversity. It is the variety of life on Earth, encompassing all living organisms and their interaction. It includes diversity at all levels, from genes to ecosystems. Biodiversity is crucial for the health of ecosystems and supports human life, providing resources like food, water, and medicine. Biodiversity, the variety of life in an ecosystem or biome, is crucial for its health and stability. Different species play interconnected roles from nutrient cycling to pollination, and diverse ecosystems are more resilient to disturbances. They provide essential services like water purification and air quality regulation and climate mitigation.
Antarctica's biodiversity is under pressure from human activities and global environmental change. For protection this unique biome and continent, people must adopt strategies that address both local and global threats. This is threat to biodiversity.
Map of threat to biodiversity. The primary threat to biodiversity in ice biomes, specifically the Arctic and Antarctic, is climate change, which causes melting permafrost, rising sea levels, and changes in sea ice extent. These changes disrupt habitats and ecosystems, impacting various species and leading to potential declines in species richness.
Problems that impact humans' activities such as climate change and pollution accelerate to ice melting in the ice biome, threatening the survival of native species. As ice disappears, indigenous communities that rely on the ecosystem resources face challenges to their way of life. The loss of biodiversity and ecosystem stability also impact global climate regulation and sea levels. Overall, humans' actions are causing significant disruption to the delicate balance of the ice biome.
This is our food web. It all starts from plankton, herbivorous zooplankton, carnivorous zooplankton, gets eaten by capelin, capelin gets eaten by harp seal gets eaten by killer whale, and killer whale gets eaten by ringed seal. After, ringed seal gets eaten by polar bear. Second one is Arctic birds. Arctic birds get eaten by harbor seal, and harbor seal gets eaten by polar bear.
Territorial Part 2 impacts and to special population selected endangered organisms. Emperor penguin, habitat Antarctic ice, nature top predator eats fish and krill. Predator leopard seal, killer whale. Geographic range Antarctic. Threat melting sea ice from climate change. Invasive organism Barmes phyton. Habitat Florida Everglades. Niche apex predator eats bird and mammal. Predator few goaters raccoons eats eggs. Origin from Asia, release pets. Spirit Southwest US.
Specific impacts. Species like penguins and krill are experiencing major population shifts or declines as a result of human-driven climate change and resource exploitation. These impacts don't just affect individual species, but disrupt the entire Antarctic food web, destroying animals, population, everything you can see on the ground.
Solutions to the threat of biodiversity. Solutions to the threat of to biodiversity. Solutions to protect ice biomes can be cut greenhouse gases, create marine protected areas, engineering focus to pump seawater into ice to refreeze it again, and feasibility. And as evidence, we can use a study from 2020 which showed that 30-50% more ice retained with seawater pumping models in the Antarctica. This is the length we used.
Thanks for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.